All right, you guys, check out. This is how to fix a crease if you have a damaged box. And as you guys can see, this one's pretty jacked up. It's a crease all down the middle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna iron it. My setting is all the way high on cotton, but you do not want to put a hot iron on this cardboard because it could burn. So what I did is I grabbed a rag, which is one of my old white t-shirts, and we're gonna place this on top, and then we're gonna throw the iron down. Okay, so it goes a little something like this. Okay, now the heat is gonna go all the way down to the box, and the plan is we're gonna straighten it out. That way we could sell this pair of shoe here. Okay, so I just wanted to check it out real quick. It is definitely warm. Okay, that corner gotta go right here though. Okay, let's see. And all I did is undo the box. If you guys were wondering, I just took it off the sides here. That way I could have it nice and flat. Okay. Does look like it's working a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna focus on this area right here. Actually, I wanna turn it down. I think it might be too high. We're gonna go to polyester, which is the second highest level. Might be a little bit too high with the cotton. Okay, we're waiting for it to cool down a little bit. Like I said, we went to polyester instead of cotton because the cotton, I believe, was maybe too high. All right, you guys, I have a little spoiler alert for you guys. As I was editing my video, I did get my shoes authenticated from GOAT. So I did sell these shoes. They accepted the box. Everything I'm telling you guys in this video works. They authenticated. I got paid out for my shoes right here. So just keep watching this video. Okay, we're focusing on that crease. It was kind of like a triangle crease. Still is right there. Okay, we're gonna flatten that whole area out. Putting some pressure down on it. I'm gonna take a look in about a second or two. Okay, it does look like it's getting better. If you guys notice, it's not, the creases were a little bit deeper than that. It is working, slowly but surely. Okay, right now I'm just putting some more pressure on it, flattening it out. We gotta make a box that's worth selling here. Okay, I'm gonna flatten my look. All right, you guys, I do think it is flattening it out. Let's see how this side looks. You can still see that main crease right there. Let's take a little hack at that crease. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. And that crease, look at that. It looks a lot better already. Okay, we still got this, we still got that. We got the triangle to work on. But as you guys can see, it's starting to flatten out actually. It looks a lot better than it was. We're looking like we have a sellable shoe here. And if you guys are wondering which shoe it is, we got the NMD R1s. It's the red, white, and blue USA style right there. Gonna flip them. But let's get back to this box, or else we're not gonna be able to flip nothing. Okay. Gotta flatten it out, flatten it out. Okay, we're gonna start working on this side a little bit more. We were focusing on the right side mainly. Now we're gonna do a little bit over here. Okay. Hopefully the Adidas sign is still there and it doesn't flatten out. I don't think it would, but hopefully it doesn't mess with that too much. Okay, let's take another look, see? Okay, you guys can see, look at right here, it's already flattened it out. There you go. That's what I want to see. Right here is flat. We still got some work to do, but you guys are getting the gist of it now. We still have the Adidas sign there, so it's definitely a good sign to see the Adidas sign. Okay, let's do a little more work on this side. Just putting some nice pressure on it right here. I'm just gonna leave it on here for a second or two. I think the polyester was definitely a way to go. The cotton was probably a little bit too hot. And this is a cotton white shirt that I'm using. Okay, let's take another look. Nice. All right, you guys, look at, man, there we go. You can still see the crease. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I can still see the crease, but it's not dented like it was before. It's starting to flatten out. So a little more of this, and we're gonna have a sellable shoe. Okay. All right, you guys, let's take another look. This should be the final reveal here. Boom. Okay, so you could still see this crease right here. Okay, you could still see the main crease, but for the most part, it is now flat. It used to be dented. So you guys could see we do have a sellable shoe here. I'm just gonna finish up here. I did want to show you guys the shoe. These are the shoes right here. They are brand new. I just bought them at the Adidas outlet, so the box was a little smashed in. They were actually the last pair. So they are brand new. I ain't trying to pull none, just so you guys see. All I did is try to fix the box so we could sell these shoes out. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to fix boxes when they're all damaged up.